In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix mouse lagging and stuttering in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is disable the Windows pointer interface. So what we're going to do is press Windows and I, which is going to open up our settings, and then from here go over to Bluetooth and devices, then go ahead and find mouse and click on it. Now scroll down and click on additional mouse settings, which is going to open up this little thing right here. Now switch to pointer options, and if you see enhanced pointer precision to on, go ahead and turn that off, because this feature acts as built-in acceleration, which intentionally alters your cursor speed based on hand velocity, causing what feels like tracking lag. Now what you can also do is go ahead and kill USB power suspend throttling. So what we're going to do is right click the start button and then go over to our device manager, which is going to look something like this. Now expand the universal serial bus controller drop down menu, which is going to be on the bottom, and it's going to then look like this. Now right click your main USB hub. So in my instance, let's just say it's this one right here. Now once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and select properties, then go over to power management, and then where it says uncheck the allow the computer to turn off the device. So we're just going to press that and then go ahead and press OK. After that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.